Here we have the periods to date function, which is a very handy way of coming through and allowing us to aggregate out the dates within a calendar year, within a date dimension. So now here I'm combining the aggregate function down here, periods to date. So what I'm retrieving down here is I created a calculated member, first 8 months 2006, as now we're aggregating that on up, periods to date. And you see I'm passing in, I want the calendar year, and then month is 2006. So now the first 8 months based on the calendar year drops me through to August of 2006. By the way, I typed this in first 8. The only way nothing would know that was the first 8. Now I'm passing in the formatting string, and this is the kind of the old way of doing that. You know, you could just put in currency and that'll work just fine. So now I'm dropping down to children, so I'm select the first 8 months on my rows, on my columns on 0, and then the children of the category on 1. So I've got product categories children, accessories, bikes, clothing, dropping on down. And now let's go over and take a look at the code. All right, the first thing I want to, let's pop on in so we can show you this. Here's just periods to date, and without an aggregate function. So I asked for an empty set on my columns, and just so I could put down here on the rows so it displays a little better. Now I'm bringing in the fiscal year now, so you see, and I'm asking for February 2006. February 2006 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th month of the fiscal calendar down here. Now if I pop on over, here's aggregate with periods to date commented out. All right, so now here's the first 8 months down here, and I'm just aggregating up, and as you can see, it's dropping on down, which is an incorrect calculation. Now as I drop on down here, and I ask for an aggregate, and I'm passing in periods to date. Now I want to aggregate up through August 2006, and here is the correct as we come through and take a look at that.